Today we have these creative Outlier Gold Super X5 Bluetooth earphones. Now if you remember the creative Pebble V2 desktop speakers that we reviewed earlier on this channel, you would know that not only were they fabulous, but they had a unique, bold and stylish design. So the question is, can these gold earphones really live up to the same standard? Well, let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back. So let's take a look at the box. And I must say, based upon the image on the front of the box, they certainly look different. They come with that award-winning Super X5 technology, they have 14 hours playback time per charge, and they have some helpful links to the side to help you download the XX5 MP3 face mapping app. To the rear of the box you can see that we have 39 hours total playback time. Ooh! I'm guessing that is via the charge case though. The earphones are described as having a graphene diaphragm, which is said to consume minimal energy while providing superior audio. We have dual-com aptX AAC audio codecs, they are IPX5 sweatproof, and have Siri and Google Assistant included. Inside the box, we have the XSF software guide, which has an XSFI app QR code inside. You just simply have to scan using your device and then download the app. Once the app is downloaded, it will give you access to its own music player. You can also perform a head and ear map process using the same app, but for more information on this app, I'll leave a link in the video description down below. But back to the package, and yes, presentation looks quite good. Oh, cool! The outer rings on these earphones illuminate. That's nice. Taking out the clear protective front window, we have a matching glittery gold charging case. It has the creative logo to the top, but we're going to have a close look at the functions in a moment. Let's first see if anything is underneath, and yep, we have a micro USB-C charge cable, which is great to see. Fast charging is always a bonus. We have 3 sets of half-anchor earbuds. Nope, they're not the standard type earbuds that you would usually see, as these earbuds are designed to anchor in your ears once inserted. We have a usual warranty, a detailed how to use user manual, and the earphones themselves, which come with these medium-sized earbuds already fitted. Both earphones come in a 2-colour tone combination of champagne gold and black, with a multifunction button to the outside. They have dual charge pins, dual microphones, and again they've got those cool looking notification ring lights, which I must admit looks like something out of the game Detroit Become Human. Not to worry though, those lights don't stay on once they're paired to your device and once they're in your ears. The charge case. Well, to the left hand side, we have the earphone left and right charge indicators. There is a battery level indicator, a charging indicator, and a Type-C charge port. There is that Super XFI software written on the opposite end of the charge case. Pushing it slides the earphone compartment out. Here you can see both embedded earphone charge sockets, which when the earphones are inserted, they softly glow in red to indicate charging. That charge case does weigh 54 grams, the earphones weigh 10 grams, both earphones as mentioned have them 5.6mm graphene drivers, and are connected via Bluetooth 5.0. Connection is easy. Simply take both earphones out of the case, they should go into pairing mode, turn Bluetooth on your device, and then select Outlier Gold. You should then have a pairing request pop up on your screen. Select OK, and you should be all set up. Let's choose a tune and give them a try. Alright, so first of all, I was quite surprised how good the bass was with these Outlier Golds. Not only were the mids and highs not compromised by overpowering bass, which a lot of companies like to do, but they really actually sit quite well balanced. The highs are fantastic. Okay, those mid levels could be a bit lower with some genres of music. They are ever so slightly overpowering at times, but in truth, that's only ever noticeable while listening to music over long periods of time. Low tones are simply spot on, and while listening to some music, I did find that these earphones did pick up certain instruments and beats that I would not usually hear with other types of earphones or speakers. They have a superb high audio level, they are not too over the top, just perfectly balanced. Oh yes, and the silencing. Well, that outside noise is completely blocked out when the earphones are correctly inserted. They anchor comfortably within the ears thanks to those anchor style earbuds which never fell out not even once. They not only look good, but they are certainly different, and I would say that they would suit anyone that wants to dress bold and stand out. Which is cool, they certainly do have that unique design, and after all, who wants to go for something normal? Not me. Normal is just boring. Overall, I really like these creative gold earphones. Surround sound was good, they have an excellent polarity between both drivers, and I can confirm that they did last 12 hours 30 minutes out of the 14 hours specified, but that is with 100% volume being used. I definitely think that you can get to that 14-hour mark by reducing the volume. I personally think that the clarity is almost flawless, and with the comfort, after long use, well, my ears didn't feel that much sweaty. With all those plus points listed and those great features, I would certainly put these creative golds on the very top shelf. I mean, if I was to rate these out of my usual rating out of 10, I simply gotta give these creative Outlier gold earphones today a rating of 9 out of 10. I've got to say right now that these are most probably in my top 3 best earbud type earphones that I've actually tested out on my channel. I would highly suggest them, and not only will I leave a link for these in the video description down below, but if you also want to go and check out these other top rated creative 3.2 desktop speakers which I previously reviewed on my channel, then a link should pop up right now in that top right hand corner. So yeah, go and check it out and go get yours. So guys, I hope this video helped today, and if it did, please smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Please share this video wherever possible, I would very much appreciate it. And well, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and peace!